Welcome to my tutorial on how to grow sweet peas in your garden. Let's get started. Firstly, it's important to choose the right time to plant sweet peas. In temperate climates, they should be sown in autumn, around March or April. In warmer areas, you can wait until late autumn or early winter. If you live in a tropical or subtropical region, you can sow them in winter. When it comes to planting, sweet peas need fertile and well-drained soil. Make sure to dig in plenty of compost or well-rotted manure. Aim for a spacing of around 15 centimeters between each seed, and plant them around 2 centimeters deep. Once planted, sweet peas should be watered regularly. Aim to keep the soil consistently moist, without letting it become waterlogged. In hot weather, you may need to water them every day. Sweet peas also need plenty of sunlight, so choose a spot in your garden that gets at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Depending on how much you want to grow, sweet peas can be planted in containers or window boxes, or in a larger space in the garden. After a few months, typically around 12 to 16 weeks after planting, your sweet peas should be ready to harvest. Look for pods that are plump and fully developed, and make sure to pick them before they start to dry out. Once harvested, sweet peas can be used for a range of purposes, like decorating cakes, making tea, and more. Like any plant, sweet peas can encounter some problems. Some common issues include aphids, powdery mildew, and fungal diseases. You can prevent these by providing good airflow around your plants, using organic pest control methods, and not overwatering. Overall, sweet peas are well suited to temperate climates, and can thrive in warm and sunny conditions. They are mostly used for ornamental purposes, but some varieties are edible and have a slightly sweet taste. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in showing you how to grow sweet peas in your garden. Remember to balance water, sunlight, and soil conditions, and to take steps to prevent common problems. With a bit of luck and care, your sweet pea harvest will be bountiful and beautiful.